How to hard reset HMD Crest and HMD Crest Max.
Step 1. Turn off your phone using the power button.
Step 2. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons at the same time. Step 3. Once in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.